Hi everyone, my name is Naz. I have an Etsy shop with the name Sewing Panda Patterns where I sell digital sewing patterns. I'll leave the link in the description box, please do check. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stitch this luxury pajama set with a clear and step-by-step instruction. So let's start with shorts. For this we need elastic and pattern pieces. And here I'm using cotton satin. These are two front panels. So first I'm going to hem the bottom with the 4 mm hem footer. This is method 1 and I will show you how to do the narrow hem without hem footer in this video only later. This is how you will get the finishing, but starting and ending you will get like this. And you need to do little bit of practice, otherwise you will get result like this. Same way I have done remaining 3 pieces. Now I'm going to join 2 front pieces by stitching the crotch, then overlocking it. Do the same thing with the back panels. Now attach both front and back at inseam with the right sides together, then stitch it and overlock it. Please ignore the overlocking because my machine is not working properly. Now overlap the back panel on the front from the notch, then pin it and stitch it. Do the same thing on the other side. Now coming to the elastic casing, join the 2 ends, then stitch it and press it. Now attach it to the shorts by leaving little gap to insert the elastic. Now I am going to insert the elastic. Now join the both elastic ends, then stitch it. Now I'm going to close the gap. And here I'm giving top stitch, as you can see. As you can see, the shorts are finished and you can see how beautiful it looks. Now coming to the top, let's start with stitching the straps. For this, fold the fabric half in lengthwise, then stitch it with 1 cm seam allowance from the raw edges. Trim the excess fabric and turn it right side with a loop turner, then press it. Repeat the same thing with remaining 3 straps. Now attach the body set side seams by matching the notches with the right sides together. Stitch it, then press it. Now attach both the front and back neck facings with the right sides together. Stitch it, then press it. First pin the straps to the top. Then attach the neck facings with the right sides together by matching the notches. Stitch it, then press it. Clip the notches all over the neck, then give a top stitch on the seams. As you can see, I have given a top stitch and pressed it. This is how it looks. Now finish the neck facings by folding the hem twice with a half centimeter. Stitch it, then press it. To do the narrow hem like we have done with the shorts, I'm going to show you the second method without using the hem footer. Further fold the hem with a half centimeter, then give a edge stitching with a large stitch length so that you can remove it later. Now trim the excess fabric as you can see. Now fold it and stitch it below the large stitching line. Now remove the large stitching with the same ripper, then press it. I hope you like the pattern and the instructions. So see you with the next pattern. Bye.